Kim Kardashian. Guys, I just figured out something. Sorry, I'm sick right now, so I'm gonna keep coughing a little. So, you know, I'm playing Escape the Backrooms as well right now. I'm continuously playing it, same with FNAF. This game, Backrooms, like I was saying. In the Escape the Backrooms, you click F. Usually it's E to interact, but this time for Escape the Backrooms, it was F. So I kept clicking F, and I was like, why isn't it working? Why isn't it working? It's E to interact in this game. It's E. I've been a dumb idiot the whole time. The whole time. Oh, guys, there's a couch. No, I missed it. This is so scary. You could fall down there. You don't even know what's down there. You have to be reincarnated. Let's see. There's stuff. Ooh. What was my color? White. I remember that. She has the rainbow bow. Green thing. This one's pink. Oh, I did it. Guys, I'm so smart. What the heck? I'm so smart. See, because I read the quotes. Some people didn't. I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason see me but go. I am scared because hole is loud and my friends scream in it, but bird is funny. That's scary. What the heck? What is that? What is that? What is that? What, guys? The bird. Where do I go? The bird! Is it gonna kill me? What's gonna happen? What do I do? Oh my gosh. That's scary. I don't like that. I don't like that. Oh, Sailor's here. Welcome. Kim Kardashian. Look, it's like Pac-Man. Button! Help! Help! Where do I go? I don't get where I'm supposed to go. Oh, okay, guys, I know what to do. Okay, the emergency stop button. I'm way faster than them, so I got this. Whoa! It won't let me, like, it's so slow. It won't let me jump. Oh my gosh! Ah! It won't move fast enough! It's so hard, it won't move fast enough. You see it, it's like, literally it's that slow. It's insane. Guys, did you see it? It fell. I did it. Let's go. What am I supposed to do from there? Oh, I have an orange key card, guys. Oh, the button. We'll turn on the TV. Okay. Let's get it to hit the button. I think it's gonna turn on the TV. Oh, button. So many buttons. The floor. The floor just left. Oh. There's an elevator. Secret elevator. My type of stuff. How am I supposed to get there? I'm scared, guys. Oh, bye, drone. Alright, guys. I can't escape. Ah! What is that thing? What is that thing? guys, it was Josh. It was Josh. It was Jumbo Josh, guys. Sailor, I'm like, what there she is? You want to be in camera? That's it? Hello? Did I just finish the game? Guys, what just happened? I just finished the game. Okay. Well, bye. Thanks you guys for watching. I guess next time we'll play Garten of BanBan 2. It says it's a sequel, so I think we should do that. My dog agrees. She's like dead asleep right now, but it's okay. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, and give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you guys don't do that, then Jumbo Josh is coming for you like he just did to me at the end of Garten of BanBan. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! We're gonna play Garten of BanBan 2. That was way shorter than I thought, right?